Now to our weekly market monitor, who is positive on the economy. He has a list of companies that he says will benefit from strong economic growth and consumer spending. He is John Traynor, the Chief Investment Officer at People's United Wealth Management. John, welcome back. Good to see you.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Do you think that your feelings about the economy are reflected properly in the stock market right now?
Well, we think the economy is doing very well. There's a lot of give and take in the stock market right now, and actually we think there's a little excess nervousness in the stock market right now. If you just take a look at the economy, the stock market should be doing a little bit better, and we think that this volatility is actually giving investors a little buying opportunity in the market right now.
Well, let's look at three stocks that you like right now, and the first one, right out of the bat, Amazon. I can never remember a time when there hasn't been any skepticism about Jeff Bezos' company, but it seems to be especially high right now with the president tweeting about it all these days. You like Amazon here, I guess, right?
We like Amazon because if you take a look at what's going on in the retail industry, Amazon is dominating the conversation there. The transactions, wherever you're shopping, transactions are going online. Amazon is leading that. You're correct in your prior comment that some of the turmoil in Washington has given investors, we think, a buying opportunity in a very good company that's really positioned nicely for the years ahead.
And how important is its cloud business to your forecast as well?
The cloud business is critical. If you take a look at Amazon's income statement, almost virtually all of their income is coming from the cloud business. So we want to see the cloud business continue to do well. We think it will continue to do well, but that will support the rest of their business going forward.
We're focusing on the banks right now with them reporting earnings, especially the money center banks, but you like the regionals, and in particular you like KeyBank, right?
Correct. The headlines today were primarily about the larger money center banks, but we really think that some of the regulatory changes that are in process right now will help the smaller regional banks. The regional banks are also more exposed to the domestic economy. So, yes, the banks were hit today, but we think going forward, as your prior guest said, we think the banks are set up for very good earnings growth.
And finally, quickly, if you can, one of the grand old companies in technology, you like Microsoft here.
We do. When you see turmoil in the market, you tend to want to own the bigger companies, and Microsoft in our tech sector is one that we want to make sure is in every client's portfolio.
Well done. John Traynor, always good to see you. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you. Thank you.
John with People's United Wealth Management.